Hello, I am a tree.
I am called a tree. I have a trunk and leaves.
I grow big and strong.
I give you shade. I give you fresh air. Some trees give fruits. Birds live on me. You can find me in parks. Trees make earth beautiful.
Take care of trees.
I am a tree. Can you say tree?
See you again.